Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very simple DIY. All the items are purchased from Dollar Tree. I spent about $7. I bought 3 candle holders and 2 trays, a large and a small. And I bought the all adhesive glue, this super glue, which works amazing. I just have to add, and this is only $1, and they carry these at Dollar Tree. So whenever I see them there, I always try to stock up on these glues because they are really great. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and glue up the rim, and I'm gonna place it where the desired spot is. This is gonna be a 2-tier stand. So yeah, continue watching and see how I get this done. Dry and that was done. I'm just gonna go ahead and find my spot right there in the middle and place that there. Make sure I get everything even and straight so that way I can finish the glue there. This top part up here, I don't like the way the glue dried up there, but that's really okay. I mean, I'm gonna have stuff on top of here, so it doesn't, I guess, really matter, but it's just part of the glue. But here it is. I absolutely enjoyed this project. This only took about a couple of minutes to even do. It was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just used some heavy coasters to place on top to keep it steady. Well, thank you guys so much for watching and for tuning in. Give this video a like if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate everything so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you.